Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Symonds of Symonds Research. I'm going to show you through the resilience training materials today. So let's get straight into it. Let me show you. The slides are dynamic. So it's not just flat text and flat images. I'm going to show you an example in a minute. 72 slides with this specific course. And they've got the trainer notes underneath. I will show you again that in a second. 83-page trainer's workbook. Participants workbook, certificates that you can print out for the participants, including for CPD, and all of the course outlines, sign-in sheets, the activities, everything is included. And all files are editable, reusable, and you can instantly download everything. I'm going to show you one example of the slides. Let's take a look. You will see that it's interactive. So as you press the keyboard, everything will begin to populate. I'm going to go through this quickly just so you can see an example. As you can see also underneath, let me show this, there are the trainer notes. So everything you need there, it walks you through how to present each slide, and that's on the bottom of every slide. And when you have activities also, then there's an explanation of how you might go about teaching this online. So it gives some cues for teaching online also, and all of the activities are included. So here also, the first PowerPoint slide, you can add your name, you could add your social media information, so it's all editable, so it's very easy to use. And then as we see, the PowerPoint slides, trainer's notebook, participants workbook, notes, activities, everything is included. So why should you buy training materials instead of making your own? I think that's a very fair point. We're all cost conscious these days, but it can save a huge amount of time. Even if you're using something such as AI and ChatGPT, it can still take a lot of time to make slides and make a full PowerPoint deck, which is interactive and which makes logical sense and which is well constructed for a course. So these materials save you a lot of time. They're professionally made, ready to use, so you can readily use them in front of clients the next day. They should be engaging, and they're dynamic slides, as I've shown you. They include the activities and the notes, so it includes everything that you should need. Also, let's talk about the buying process, because some of you will be wondering. So you purchase it online, instant checkout, secure checkout, so it uses Stripe, which is, I think, one of the world's biggest payment systems. It's an American system. So, and you can pay by PayPal or credit card through the Stripe system there. You will receive an email instantly after paying. And from this, you just click on the link and you'll receive files, and you download the zip file. About Dr. Valeria Lo Iacono, she, as I say, is my business partner and wife. She's been working in education for over 20 years, in business and in academia. So she's taught at different universities, but she's also worked in business for many, many years. So she has a lot of experience, and she's an expert designer. So thank you for watching this. We've got over 60 sets of training materials. If you have any questions, please do email us. And we do them in English and Italian, so we're building up our Italian portfolio, so please do get in touch also. We have micro-learning units that we're also going live, so if you're interested in micro-learning, we also cover that. So we also, if you're not watching on YouTube, we have lots of free training activities on YouTube, so please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon on YouTube, on our channel, or see you on the site. Please email us, as I say, if you have any questions. Thank you so much.